Good morning student, once again welcome of our new video metal and non-metal. So in the previous video we already learned about what are the chemical property of the metal, what happen when the metal is react with the acid and what happen when the metal is react with the water. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about chemical property of the non-metal. So first, what is the chemical property of the non-metal? When non-metal is react with the oxygen, it forms the oxide. But what is the nature of oxide? It forms the acidic in nature. We already learned in the metal it forms the oxide in alkaline in nature. I already given the example. Carbon is react with the oxygen, it forms the carbon dioxide. Okay. So what is the second property? Reaction with the water. Is non-metal react with the water? So answer is no. Why? Because water does not release the electron in the non-metal. It's a very important question for your examination. Is non-metal is react with the water? Why it does not react with the water? The reason is because it does not release the electron. So third question, third property, what is the reaction with the dilute acid? Is non-metal is react with the dilute acid? So answer is no. No reaction there is a take place when the it's react with the dilute acid. What is the fourth property? What happens when the non-metal is react with the chlorine? When non-metal is react with the chlorine, it forms the chloride. When hydrogen is react with the chlorine, it forms the hydrogen chloride. So what is the sixth property, a fifth property? What happens when the non-metal is react with the hydrogen? When the non-metal is react with the hydrogen, it forms the hydride. It forms the hydride. Okay. Next, what is the sixth property? What happens when the non-metal is react with the salt solution? So answer is a more reactive non-metal will displace less reactive non-metal form its salt solution. So we already learned about the chemical property of the non-metal. So there is the sixth chemical property. First, when the non-metal is react with the oxygen, it forms the oxide. So what is the nature of oxide of non-metal? It is in acidic in nature. And what about the metal? Metal form the oxide in the basic medium or alkaline medium. Is the metal is react with the water? So answer is no. No metal, non-metal is not react with the water. What is the reason? Because it does not release the electron. Third, is non-metal is react with the dilute acid? So answer is no. Fourth property, what happens when the non-metal is react with the chlorine? When the non-metal is react with the chlorine, it forms the chloride. And once again, what happens when the non-metal is react with the hydrogen? It forms the hydride. And what happens when the non-metal is react with the salt solution? In the answer, a more reactive non-metal will displace the less reactive non-metal from its salt solution. I hope you already understood what are the chemical property or what are the reaction of the non-metal of the following 6 topics. So for today's video, it's enough for you, enough for today. Thank you.